Ipinakita nga ng SB19 na iba ang kanilang karisma dahil SB19 draws huge crowd to Los Angeles pop-up ahead of Lollapalooza. Biruin nyo, pop-up merch pa lang to ay dinumog na agad ang SB19. Grabe talaga at makikita niyo po dito na may lalaking 18 na nagpunta roon at talaga namang machong-macho si kuya pero tingnan nyo kung makipag-ismalan or smile sa SB19 ay talaga namang wagas. Samantala, sa naging update naman ng 18 Van Zone, ibinahagi nito ang mga ninong at ninangs na nakasuporta sa SB19. Unahin na nga natin ang Department of Tourism Philippines hosting an official massive watch party right at the open grounds of Luneta Park, all just to support SB19 as they light up the Lollapalooza stage in Chicago. The entire field overflowing with 18 standing side by side with SB19's beloved ninangs and ninong from the industry being led by Ninang Pure Gold. Big brands like Dato Puti, Great Taste Coffee, Watson, McDonald's, Pepsi Philippines, Manghuan Republic, and Bioderm to name a few rolling out partnership promos and endorsement left and right just to show their support. To be the first to do this and to see an entire nation rally behind SB19 on a historic scale. Grabe! Patunay ito na kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari once genuine talent meets an undeniable self-made movement. Sabi nga ng iba, walang impact ang SB19, pero numbers, official institutions, and global brands don't lie. Hindi magmamanifest ang ganitong level ng suporta mula sa giant corporations, national agencies at libo-libong tao kung walang totoong narating at napatunayan. They called it impossible, but here we are gathering, organizing, and making history happen in real time, all driven by love and pride and group that earned every single win. Wala mang dating sa mga walang bilib. Proud nating isigaw na bahagi tayo ng kasaysayang to. Minamaliit man, napagtagumpayan din at napakaraming resibo. Let's show them that SB19 is not just performing on a world stage, they are also bringing the entire country with them. Ito po ay mula sa post ni 18PH Fanzone. At yan ang ating showbiz top update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.